Alright, so today's a sketchy day. We are going to go buy a shout out to the Subi. We're gonna go buy a steering wheel, carbon fiber steering wheel for the Subi. But we're not taking a Subi. We are taking the lovely BRC, and it's gonna be awesome. Shout out to my Christmas lights. That it's January and I'm still rocking them. Whoa! This thing is still frozen. Jeez. Oh my god. Oh boy. It's cold out. I don't know if you can see my breath, but I don't know, I don't think you can, but yep, today is cold. It is, come on, stupid light, work. There we go. Today is, I don't know, I think 19 degrees. Where can I see the here? Let me see, display. There we go. Wow, it's cold. Wow, that's cold. Thankfully I have seat heaters, so I don't know if you can see. Am I focusing? Yes, there we go. I am able to warm it up. But yeah, so I'm gonna be heading about 20 minutes out to get the carbon fiber steering wheel for the Subi. So I don't know, it's probably going to be a little sketchy, but let's see. It is so cold, so cold. 16. Wow, that's cold. I don't know, did I make a mistake? I can't feel the tip of my fingers. It's cold. 9 p.m. Coldest. Well, we're heading on it. Let's go. And of course, my windshield, the actual water, like whatever you call them, the ones that take the water, and so I can clear my windshield, stopped working because they froze. So as you can see, I'm trying to put some water, but then no water comes out. So I'm pretty much screwed. Everything is frozen. It's 20 degrees outside, which means the water is frozen at the nozzles. What is up with that? Who would have thought? That's crazy. Jesus, why did I come out tonight? I hope I make it back home. I guess you'll see if I do. I got about another 5 more minutes to go, and then I should be there, and then hopefully I can get back home. Let's see. Let's hope I do. All right, stay tuned. We have made it. We decided to meet up at a diner because the other place I gave him was a little sketchy, so I guess he thought I was gonna rob him. But yeah, so diner approaching. Oh, I see him. I see him. shit. Got the JDM.
What up?
It was Gucci, bro. Damn, you got the little power here, huh? Look at that. Tomei? What? What? Oh snap! Oh shit! Wow, that's what's up. Damn! Oh shit, didn't close. My bad.
It's alright.
So we got our friend here. What's your name, sir?
Greg Fuji.
There we go, Greg Fuji, with the lovely JDM wagon. And here's what we came for. I don't know if you can see, but it's a steering wheel, carbon fiber. Carbon fiber! Carbon fiber! He sold it to me for $1. So if you ever need car parts, he can sell them for $1. How much was it?
$1.50.
Okay, $1.50, fine. He raised the price 50 cents for me saying it online. But yeah, so we finally got it. We had some issues with the VRZ, but it came through. Thank you, Greg Fuji.
Anytime.
For the help. And it's fucking freezing. So, oh, excuse me, I gotta bleep that. But yeah, it's freezing. So it's 17 degrees right now. We out. He's going to Jersey. What are you doing in Jersey?
Picking up some wheels.
All right. So soon he'll be in the channel for the interview. So stay tuned for that episode. But for now, I'm going home and sleep because I'm tired and it's cold. Until the next one. Later. So yeah, so right now is another day, and I am currently here trying to change the steering wheel, as I mentioned in the previous footage. So let's get working on this. I'm excited. So the first thing you need to do obviously is open up your hood and make sure you disconnect your battery, because this will allow you to not trigger the airbag and have to pay for it if you do so. So safety first, make sure the car is off and it doesn't go on anymore. Now what we're doing is removing the clips that are on 3 locations, one on each side of the steering wheel as well as underneath. There's a little hole and you have to somehow use your flashlight and make sure that you push it with a screwdriver, which I was having a little bit of difficulties getting it done, but finally I was able to do it.
I wanna be the best in the game, invest in my name, check no restraints, I'm obsessed with the pain. I ingest, I retain, assess and I change, possessed by the thought I'll be free one day from society's restraints. Money, clout and fame, mud, disease, a plague. We all love to hate, have to play the game, have to make a name. All our insecurities are on display. This is war with the enemy, think that it was meant to be. Living in a time where disease is on every screen. I won't let them fester me, I know most are festering. Negativity is a plague for the mentally weak. No mercy, all I got is working. Never stop searching, never quench the thirsty. I'm toxic and psychotic with this logic, you can't stop it. It's been chronic since I was a boy, so neurotic and chaotic. I'm built to last with the webs I'm weaving. I could change the past with all I'm achieving. Got my foot on gas, never stop. life's gonna eat 'em. Make mistakes real fast, then you learn how to beat 'em. If you take off the cast, you can see all the healing. If the pain's in the past, move on from the grave and put your foot on the gas. No, never stop competing, yeah. I've been doing this, I'm on it. I just wanna be iconic. Sipping on a gin and tonic, got me going off when I'm on this topic, yeah. If I ever play, I want it. You know that I'm always honest. Stay away from those who are toxic. Keep them out your face, no way, you don't want them, yeah. Don't try to drain my energy. The enemy is everything. It's mentally, unhealthily, spreading like a rare disease. But I won't let it get to me. I don't need your therapy. I can leave a legacy of leading by intensity. Come on, we can fight this. Freedom is priceless. Spread just like a virus. Living in a crisis. Do you feel courageous? Do you see greatness? Trust me, you can take it. Go
Ready.
With all I'm achieving, got my foot on gas, never stop competing. If you break like glass, then this life's gonna eat 'em. Make mistakes real fast, then you learn how to beat 'em. If you take off the cast, you can see all the healing. If the pain's in the past, move on from
One silver connection, the 2 pins, and then the 1, 2, 3. I guess you could say lock pins. Those have to come off. You have to press them so it can come off. So as you can see here, I'm removing the steering wheel safely. So making sure to loosen up the bolt and make sure you don't take it off, so when you're trying to pull, you don't hit yourself in the face. I wanna be the best in the game, invest in my name. Check no restraints, I'm obsessed with the pain. I ingest, I retain, assess and I change. Possessed by the thought I'll be free one day from society's restraints. Money, clout and fame, mud, disease, a plague. We all love to hate, have to play the game, have to make a name. All our insecurities are on display. This is war with the enemy, think that it was meant to be. Living in a time where disease is on every screen. I won't let them fester me, I know most are festering. Negativity is a plague for the mentally weak. No mercy, all I got is working. 3 identical screws. One here, one here, one here. And now I can take this off. And then the buttons come up too. And that's it. This is the OEM steering wheel that we're replacing with a carbon fiber steering wheel. Let's put it back together.
Don't try to drain my energy. The enemy is everything. It's mentally, unhealthily, spreading like a rare disease. But I won't let it get to me. I don't need your
We put back the screws.
Leading by intensity. Come on, we can fight this. Freedom is priceless. Spread just like a virus. Living in a crisis. Do you feel courageous?
Once that's done, cover back on. Forget the clip. We connect the cruise control. It's going to be a little more difficult than I thought. There you go. That's done. We move on to the assembly of the wheel. Make sure you don't really hurt these cables, because then we'll have to change the airbag.
can't scratch. I'm missing a piece that completes a whole part of me. An open wound scar to see.
My light just went out. Give me 1 second.
Welcome to the freak show, the best in town. What the hell's wrong with me? I don't get along with anybody, honestly. I've been living in my own head constantly. Thoughts jumbled around, think I need a new.
And we place back the airbag exactly how it was.
I don't wanna get lost in the sedative. Gotta show them what I got, I'm competitive. You know I'm about to go off, I won't let it win, I'll take a stab.
And you slide it back in and should be pop right in. Oh, I made a crucial mistake. Don't do what I just did. I forgot the pins on the other steering wheel. So I have to get everything out again.
Sick of the venom in my brain, running from the past, wanna escape my pain. I just wanna be a better person, I deserve this, I just wanna break these chains. Always asking for greatness, true to myself, I never fake it. Seen too many once, I just so they get famous. And when I say the truth, most really can't take it. In spite of everything I've been through, I'ma make it. Fake friends, but I'm a downfall, it's toxic.
The pins have to be moved to the new steering wheel. You can use a screwdriver to get them out.
The fake ones hate, but it's all to no avail. They wanna see me lose, but you know I never fail. I'll give up everything, daunting if I can see my dream, lay things right. 'Cause I'll do anything. Want a reality.
Exactly the same way it was. Now we can put this back. And we start over again. Okay. This flashlight keeps falling on my head. Doesn't want to record. Doesn't want to stay on me. Alright. Seems like I got everything. So I got screw, 3 screws on the back, pins, the cable. That's it. Let's go ahead and do this.
Be the best in the game, invest in my name, check no restraints, I'm obsessed with the pain. I ingest, I retain, assess and I change, possessed by the thought I'll be free one day from society's restraints, money, clout and fame.
Last part. Let's see if it works now.
This is war with the enemy, think that it was meant to be. Living in a time where disease is on every screen. I won't let them fester me, I know most are festering. Negativity is a plague for the mentally weak. No mercy, all I got is working. Never stop searching, never quench the thirsty.
What do you guys think? Do you like it? Let me get the camera.
Spread just like a virus.
This looks really good. I like the feeling of carbon fiber. It's a little different feeling. It's like very sporty. I feel like I like it a little better. I don't know. What do you guys think? Leave a comment on the box if you hate it, you like it, or I don't know. Either way. But yeah, I think I like it. I think it looks very sporty and feels really good. It has like a different grip, like a lot more, like stronger. So leave down in the comments what you feel about this, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Thank you for sticking around. Peace.
Everything, it's mentally, unhealthily spreading.